In North Carolina, there are two types of spousal support. There's post-separation support and then there's permanent alimony. Post-separation support is intended to help the dependent spouse through financially until a permanent alimony hearing can be held. Post-separation support is temporary in nature and it is based on a number of factors, mainly financial need and the ability of the other party to pay. Similarly, permanent alimony is based on financial need and the ability of the other party to pay. And there's another component. If there's been spousal misconduct, marital misconduct, that can also be a factor weighing in favor of the dependent spouse receiving alimony if they're not the person that committed the misconduct. And if you're the payor spouse and you commit marital misconduct, you're more likely to have to pay alimony. In North Carolina, there's lots of different factors that influence the amount and duration of alimony or whether you'll get it at all. But universally, you have to prove that you are in need financially of the support and the other party has the ability to pay. If there are other things like marital misconduct on the part of either party, that also has an influence on whether or not you will receive alimony. In North Carolina, you can modify alimony in some cases if it is part of a court order. If it's part of a court order, then you can ask the judge to modify alimony based on a change in circumstances. However, if you have agreed to alimony and it's through contract in a separation agreement, a lot of times that will be non-modifiable. So it's important to think all these things through and have legal counsel when you're entering a separation agreement. How common is alimony in North Carolina? Well, in my experience, not all that common. In Davidson and Davie counties, it happens sometimes. Much more common, I think, in Forsyth County, but it really depends on a variety of factors. Some of the factors that are used to determine the amount, duration, and whether alimony will even be awarded are financial needs of the parties. If one party can show that their financial needs are greater than their ability to earn in a given month, and the other party has means to pay the alimony, then it's more likely that it's going to be awarded. But there are other factors, and a lot of it depends on where you are, where you live in North Carolina. If we can help you with post-separation support or alimony, give us a call here at Advocate Family Law Group.